Hi, Jordan with Form Lighting. Today, we'll be showing you how to install our LED headlights on this 2019 Ford Mustang. Let's get started. To start our installation, we're going to be removing the front bumper. Now, as you can see, we've jacked the vehicle up. You don't necessarily have to do this, but it does make things a lot easier. First, we're going to need to remove 3 plastic clips holding the fender liner to the back of the bumper. As you can see, we've turned the wheel all the way to the left to gain better access. Now we'll turn the wheel to the right so that we can peel the fender liner back. Next, we can reach in behind the fender and remove 2 10mm nuts securing the bumper to the fender. With those removed from the passenger side, we can go ahead and repeat the same process on the driver's side. Moving underneath the vehicle, we'll go ahead and remove 15 7mm screws holding the bumper to the splash guard. Now we can go ahead and pop the hood so that we can remove 8 clips holding on this plastic cover. Next, we'll remove 2 7mm screws and 6 8mm screws from the top of the bumper. With our hardware removed, we can go ahead and start separating the bumper from the fender. Now you should be able to do this by hand, but if you do have a little bit of trouble, use a trim tool to gain more leverage. Now we can go ahead and disconnect our harnesses from both turn signals. With all of our hardware and wiring harnesses disconnected, we can go ahead and lift the bumper up and off the vehicle. Now we can go ahead and remove the stock lamp from the vehicle. To do this, we'll be removing 2 10mm bolts, one on top, one on bottom, and 1 13mm bolt on the side. Next, we can pop off this plastic retaining clip and disconnect our harness. Now we can go ahead and install our Form LED headlamp. First, we'll need to connect our wiring harness, and then we can reattach our plastic retaining clip. Now we can set our Form headlamp in place and secure it down using the factory hardware. Next, we'll take our yellow turn signal wire coming from the headlamp and tap that into our factory turn signal harness using our supplied quick splice. First, we'll need to peel back the sheathing on the factory harness and pull out our turn signal power wire. On the passenger side, it's a yellow and purple wire, and on the driver's side, it's blue and green. Next, we can feed both wires into the quick splice and make sure it's secure using needle nose pliers. Now that everything's wired up, we'll want to test our lamp for functionality. We'll specifically want to test our turn signal to make sure that everything is tapped correctly. Once you've verified your headlamp is functioning properly, you can go ahead and repeat the same process to install the other lamp on the driver's side. After that, simply reinstall your bumper by reversing the same steps we used earlier to take it apart. As you can see, with little effort, your Mustang will now have a new, modern LED upgrade that'll help you stand out. With a unique startup sequence, sequential turn signals, and an aggressive rectangular dual beam projector. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to never miss out on any new products. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest on anything Form, be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok by searching Form Lighting. You can pick up a set of new lights for your vehicle today at formlights.com or by using our dealer map to find a Form Lighting dealer near you. Thanks for watching.